Well, alright, hello everybody and welcome to 7 Billion Humans. It's basically a continuation of Human Resource Machine by Tomorrowland Corporation, and I didn't know about this game. I've seen the name for this game before and didn't really realize what it was, and once I actually caught on to what it was, I was so excited. I loved Human Resource Machine. So we are going to play. And hopefully this first episode goes well. I'm having a little bit of difficulties with my sound being right, but I'm trying to record it in a way that I can mess with that if I need to. But let's get started. For those who don't know what Human Resource Machine is, it's basically a way to visually program in a game-like form. And I had so much fun with Human Resource Machine. And some of the challenges at the end I couldn't even do because they were a little too complex for me. But this, I am so looking forward to playing this. So I'm going to select a new employee. I have my photo. Who is it? Who am I? Who am I? I'm going to be this guy because he just looks young and sprightly. This is me. Employee number 1. That's what I like. I like to be employee number 1. Thank you for my badge. Please proceed to the elevator. Okay, I'm hired. Excellent. Hardest part's done. I got a job. Now let's keep this job. Yes.
Are you a hard-working coal miner, truck driver, or coffee shop employee? Let machines do that for you.
The future. He turned into a coffee pot.
Tastes like progress.
But aren't there any good jobs left for hard-working families like us?
You'll never need to work again. Machines have provided unlimited free energy. Unlimited fast, clean transportation.
I'm not sure how true that is, but
free nutritious food.
I do like steak.
Completely free to do whatever you want. A marvelous modern utopia.
But we want good paying jobs.
Okay, creating jobs.
That easy. Done.
You want jobs? You will have jobs. They will be the best jobs. Huge. Believe me, you have never seen so many jobs.
Wow.
Show up on Monday. The machines have created enough jobs for every single person on the planet and the whole family to enjoy.
I have a PhD in medieval French literature.
Even the most useless skills can be put to work in the new office building visible from space. Congratulations, all 7 billion humans on the planet. You're hired.
So that explains the name. So, oh, it's Tomorrow Corporation, excuse me, not Tomorrowland Corporation. So that explains the concept of the game. One building, 7 billion humans in it because the robots took the job, so then the robots made us jobs. And the president, who has no likeliness to anybody in history I have ever seen in my life, deemed that he would create all the jobs, the best jobs, huge. So let's get started with my new employees. Or I guess I am the new employee. Year 2, I'm the new employee. I'm late. Oh god, that's bad. It's been a year though, right? Everyone's already here. They're just standing, blinking, waiting for your instructions. This isn't about just you anymore. You're the boss. Oh, so I am the boss of all the workers. Okay, of all the workers. Last time I was the boss of one dude. Now I'm the boss of a bunch of workers. They will do whatever I say, so let's see how fit this workforce is. Please just have everyone pick up an individual green data cube and drop it again. Let's see those little arms put to good use. Yes, there's nothing like early success to inspire confidence. Okay, so basically, visual programming interface here. So, tell your workers to step down 1, pick up the cube, and then drop it again. So step down, pick up, drop. That's like this whole thing, right? Run. And good job, guys. Working out. Woo! Yes, stunning work, everybody. Can I have a raise now? These workers are clearly experts at picking up and putting stuff down again. Dude, that was amazing. I am so good at programming, as you can see from that example. It is just like so good. The best. Okay, transport squad. Lots of guys. Hey, you guys up there? That line of data cubes is too far away to read. Please tell the workers to move the entire line of data cubes down by 2 tiles. So everybody needs to pick up and move down 2 tiles. Just set it right there between those 2 nice potted plants. Okay, so it goes right here, These glasses aren't just for looking handsome, you know. Okay, so basically everybody. So this controls everybody. So I'm stepping down, pick up, and then step down twice. Can I copy? Okay, whatever. Step down again and drop. Drop there and play. That should be what this is. Beautiful. I am a genius. That's more like it. Like icons on a desktop, deliberate positioning is everything. Okay, continue to the elevator. And a long distance delivery. Okay, there's holes in the floor. I just read a book on mindful meditation. So important. I'll let you borrow it later. I would like to completely clear my mind. I said clear my mind. And also the room. All data cubes and workers must be cleared away so I can concentrate. Workers, please pick up the cube next to you and just keep walking until you exit from the room on one of those convenient holes over the right edge. What's at the bottom of those holes? There's infinite holes? Yes, that's a very good question to think about while meditating. You got a new command. Jump. Okay, so it's not jump. Yeah, no, the workers don't actually jump in the air. This is not one of those games. Here, this will tell you about it. Okay, clear all the room workers. New command, jump. Use this command to jump to different lines of code. So there's a jump command in the human resource machine, or like a go-to, or running essentially a subroutine. So basically I need them to step to the right. So step right, pick up, and then I need them to keep stepping to the right, basically infinitely, right? So then I'm going to jump to there. I think, oh, that's down, right. Oh, I guess this is the square. This just is the opening, the interface. I thought that was the direction they were moving, so that should be good, though. Surprised some of the stuff is off this window. Oh, it's because it scrolls down. I gotcha. So this should be fine. I can speed it up, too, can't I? I don't need to speed it up, though. Let's watch them fall. I am an ocean. I am an autumn forest. I am a sunset. I am hungry. Anyone want to get lunch? Anyone? Oh, it was easy enough. Okay, an important decision. An important decision. Okay, let's all ask ourselves a little question. Would you prefer an instant shrieking, splattering doom, or going to a really fun office birthday party? Well, now you have a new command to help you decide. Everyone, let's take a look at our left and to our right. On one side, you have a nice data cube illuminating the way toward an office party. On the other side, you have eternal doom. Use the new if command to locate which side has the data cube, and continue walking in that direction until you fall in the nice, safe hole that will take you to the office party. Choose wisely. I'll see you there. Okay, so basically, if to the left of me, if to the left equals, okay, interesting, a data cube that I want to pick up. No, I want to step left, pick up the data cube, and then keep stepping left. And can I just jump this over and over and over again inside this else statement, and then say the else, we're going to step right, pick up, and then keep stepping right, jumping endlessly. I don't know if this will actually work, though, because will it ever actually get out of this loop? I don't know how it works with the multiple people. Let's find out. Nope, that was right. Okay. Perfect. Yes, congratulations. This is truly a feat of engineering. I'm not feeling like attending the party, but you guys have fun. So continue to the elevator. A little exterminator 1. Okay, I'm learning programming. In fact, I already solved this assignment for you. Well, sort of. The worker is supposed to go pick up the cube down below without falling in the holes, but something's wrong, so I'll allow you to fix it for me. Let's watch what happens together. So he's walking on the path. Okay, so it looks like he's doing a check. He's checking if there's a hole. So basically, he looked if there's a hole to the right of him, and if there is a hole to the right of him, he steps down, which doesn't work here because down is actually an edge. So basically, before you edit the program, use this button to cycle through one at a time. So steps. So this just literally told him to step to places. Step right. If there's nothing to the right of him, then step to the right. So basically, I think what I can do, if there's nothing to the right of him, I think I just change, instead of making this if nothing's to the right, make it so if nothing is... Wait, if to the bottom is nothing. I think that'll work because you don't get here until you're over here. Let's find out if this works. Wait. If equals nothing, then step down. Oh no, I need this to be step... This needs to be step right. Oh wait. If it equals nothing, then jump to step right. If down is nothing, step right. Why did that not work? Hold on. Let me change this back to down. Okay, let's get through these steps. So at here, he's going to step to the right. If below equals nothing, does below not equal nothing? Below equals nothing. I'm confused. Oh, a hole. If below equals a hole. I thought nothing. Yeah, there we go. I was assuming that nothing also meant hole. I didn't realize hole would be something different. Nothing must mean like the floor is empty. So, my concept was right on. I just didn't understand what that was at first. Didn't know the other options that were in there. This place is a mess. The engineers left data all over the floor. Those people have no appreciation for style or art. Okay, let's pick up all the data cubes and organize them in a nice line across the bottom row. Right between those useful arrows. Just organize them in a nice line. Am I just moving them? But watch out for the infinite hole. So don't get all the way to the hole. How can you know where the data cubes are or where infinite holes are? Well, if it says here, remember the if command. Yeah, the if command obviously is going to be it. People say the world around me is a haze of confusion. So basically, I don't need to do anything except move them down to this area, I don't believe. So basically, I need to step down. And then if the tile that they're on equals nothing, this is where I think nothing is going to work, then jump back up to step down. Else, you're going to pick up, there's the else pick up the cube at your area and then step down. And then if at this point in the statement, this is when you're already holding a cube, if the tile below you equals a hole, then you're going to drop. I think that's it. I never had to move again. If one guy did it, why did one guy do it? If it equals nothing, step down, jump. So everybody got to the pickup part. So they were picking up, they stepped down. I never jumped them back to do it again. That would be why. So then jump. If below them is a hole, else jump to step down. There we go. I just never had them keep moving. Beautiful. You guys did awesome. Whoa! Now we're living dangerously. Really on the edge. Haha. Collation Station. So intro to morale officers.
Congratulations. You're doing great.
Thank you.
I cannot believe how great you're doing.
As your employee morale officers,
We are here to offer occasional tips on how to keep your workers feeling delighted.
for example,
Come on up, Jeff.
It's me!
we find that workers appreciate an occasional confirmation of a job well done,
You might say, congratulations, you're doing great.
followed by a gentle but firm pat on the rear.
That's sexual harassment.
When I was his age, I was a refrigerator.
Good work.
Interesting.
You know how many salads wilted inside me?
With enough teamwork and engineering, even a kitchen appliance can become a mid-level office manager.
We're not just building data solutions.
We're building
A family.
Aww. Now, my assumption is Jeff is programmed into the game. And that was a coincidence. Maybe it looks at who your Steam user is registered as. If my name's somewhere in Steam and has a backlog of names in there. I doubt it, though. But I'm going to pretend that they're talking directly to me. Because I'm just doing that good. They made this game for me, maybe. Dynamic angles. Okay, whoa, that was a good cup of coffee. Who wants to do something crazy? See that nice, steady, straight, horizontal line of data cubes? Let's be wild and turn it into a diagonal line. Leave that first data cube where it is. And make that line descend like a staircase. Okay. Data displayed at a 45-degree angle. Whoever heard of such a thing? Okay, so basically, I think I need to do... Basically, we got to start with a step down. And a pick up. Everybody's got to pick up their data cube. And then... I think what they need to do at this point is step down, check if I can line it up based on this first data cube. So if the spot to the left of the person is a data cube, then drop. Else, I think you jump to step down. I think that's all there is to it. No, stop. If not if the left of you, if up and diagonal to the left of you is a data cube. There we go. That diagonal is very helpful. I did it! That's what my son says all the time. He says, I did it. Oh no, what have we done? I'm not sure. Optional challenge. Use 5 or fewer commands. My solution uses 7. Optional speed challenge, complete in 6 or fewer seconds, averaged over 25 random tests. I did 5 seconds on average, okay. So, 6 or fewer commands, huh? Curious if I can really quick get this thing to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the else does count, but jump only counts as 1. So, I mean, does it matter if I tell it to... Would this actually drop a command off if I did this? Would pick up give it an error if I make him pick up again? I mean, they'll keep complaining to me that there's nothing to pick up, but... So it still worked. Is that now 5 commands? Or no, that would be 6 commands. Okay, get to... So that took him a lot longer. So yeah, that's 6 commands. My speed test still does... Oh no. 13 seconds now. How would I... If it left administrative data cube... No, you have to keep going on that. There's no way to make a... You can't start with the pickup because you have to move down for... Oh, wait. Oh, you can pick up one in front of you. Pick up one in front of you. And then step down. I need a step down in there. 1 step down, 1 if, 1 else. And a jump. 1, 2... I still just moved stuff at this point. So step down if up and to the left to use a data cube drop. I wonder if I can just do if up and left of me is not a data cube. Then jump to step down. Jump. It's going to keep going. It's never, ever, ever going to get to this drop, is it? I have to put in that else, which puts me right back in the same place, huh? This will still work, right? Yeah, this will still work, but it's still going to take 6 commands. I'm just really, really, really curious if I can optimize this at all. Give me 1 second. I'm going to optimize this before we go, but I'm just going to do a little work off camera. I got it, guys. So I was overthinking it, actually. So if I show you what I did, all I did was make it so if you pick up, first thing you do is pick up, and then you step down. That was standard. Then you check if it's a data cube in the spot up and left of you. If it is the data cube, you drop your cube. Without the else, immediately at that point, I don't need to go else jump. I just, in that same if statement without an else, just right when you're done with that, there is no else statement. You just jump back to the top, which is to step down. And if you had already dropped your data cube, you're just walking at this point. So you don't stop where you're at, which is fine. That's not part of the challenge. You don't stop where you're at. You just keep going with the group. And you drop a data cube only if you have one, so you continue on. So watch it in action. It is 5, and I think it's pretty efficient as well. See, they're just walking with the crowd, but we still get the diagonal pieces. And I did it in my 5. Oh, yeah. Is the speed challenge? I don't know if it actually worked with the speed challenge or not. 5 seconds, yep. So it worked for both. Excellent. They don't always work for both. I remember that from Human Resource Machine. We'll try to do a couple more of these and see if we can get up to... Oh, there's challenges down here I didn't do. I'll have to go back to those in a minute, too. Emergency escapades. Whoa. Okay. I just received a fax. You are experiencing impressive, stunning fanfare. Oh, that's nice. Oops, I mean imminent structural failure. Yes, it appears this room is collapsing, and we have to exit immediately. Oh, no. Okay, let's keep reading. One of those holes in the room here has a nice, fluffy exit chute below it. And you will be carried to safety in the strong, handsome arms of our rescue squad. Who wrote this? All other holes lead to a painful, splattering doom. To find your way, just follow the instructions over there. Oh, God. Find your way to the emergency exit. First, make your way toward any data cube. Then... Wow. Oh, what the hell? If the cube you are on says step up, step right, step down, step left. Wait, what? If the cube you are on... First, make your way toward any data cube. Oh, they have numbers on them. I didn't even realize they had little numbers on them. I'm playing this in a window, so I didn't actually notice. So, that's pretty easy. Because you basically just get on. What it becomes is eventually it's like if, you know, if my spot equals a 1, then step up. Then we'll go step. Oh yeah, they already did this one for me. So so this is if my spot equals 1, then step up. Else, if my spot is 2 equals 2, then step right. We can do nested else's. That's fine. If my spot equals 3, then step down. That goes up here, step down. And then else if my spot is 4, then step left. Then step left. Now, the concern I have is making your way to a data cube. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have a row of 2, 2 rows of 3, and a row of 4 that I have to get to data cubes. So I need the people to be able to get their way to a data cube. Well, wait, this doesn't make any sense because that's not a hole. Hold on. If the cube around says 1 and then step up. So if I get to this 1, this is the 1, right? Yeah, then I would step up, but that's not a hole. Do you just keep going until you get to a hole? I mean, if I play this right now, nothing's going to happen, right? Yeah, nobody does anything because they're not on a data cube. So, but if I make, you never pick up the data cube, so I'm only going to be dealing with the first 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I just make these people step left, in a loop, and then jump, I mean, in theory, this would solve this case, except you're not going to get down these holes, and that's what I don't understand. It's not very efficient either. It's not efficient at all. He went up. Why did he run to the right now? Why are these guys running to the right? If it was a 1, you're supposed to go to the left, or you're supposed to go up. Yeah, you're definitely right. It's not what we're looking for. Why did these guys go left? It was a 1, they were supposed to go up. So the floor below them equaled... It always equaled 1, but for some reason some people stepped to the right, even though it only says an else if it's 2. I guess I can get rid of these nests. And do I even want this to... Oh no, that has to be an else. I don't... I'm not 100% certain. I'm not certain I understand what this is looking for. These are different things you can do. Hold on. Find your way to the emergency exit. First, make your way toward any data cube. Then, if the cube you're on says 1, step up. 2, step right. 3, step down. 4, step left. Oh, they're going to follow a path once they get to a data cube. I understand. I need to step left. What if I just did... Okay, hold on. If... I just need to go if what's below me is nothing, step left, and then jump. No, and then else. This does need to be part of an else. Else, if what's below me is this stuff. I think I could just go up into there. Hold on, will this work? Wait. Is this jump in the wrong spot? Okay, stop. There we go. They should all end up following this path eventually. Which will start guide. The 4 should go left. Oh, I need to put else ifs in here. So if I do need those else's back. That's not an else. This, I think, when these guys get up to the 4, they're trying to go left and they can't. But this 4, yeah, now they're going to start moving around this circle. These guys will eventually make their way in. Okay, I get it now. It's like, it keeps going if you're on this path. Once you get the logic set up, yeah, there they go. They're going to go all the way around this thing, and now they're doing the loop appropriately. Whew, that was a little tough. It's going to take some optimization, but here we go, because that's the party one in the center. So, party time, woo! Good work, everyone. Okay, now it's my turn. Help! I don't know how to program. I'm a manager. Okay, so I did not mean any of the 9 or fewer commands. I will have to do some work at that one. This is really, really slow as well, so it probably is... 203 seconds. Yep, I would need to really optimize that one. But, guys, I think that was where we're going to end this episode of 7 billion humans. Let me know what you think. I'm going to try to go back also and get those challenges. Like if I go to the elevator, you'll be able to see that I got some challenges I need to meet on these ones. I didn't know that I actually had challenges at the time. And obviously I didn't do anything here. And we'll jump over to this branching path number 11. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode of 7 billion humans.